Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be talking about how to grow carrots in containers. Now I was going to do this video in the polytunnel, but it was absolutely red hot in there. It's 40 odd degrees and I just couldn't cope with it any longer, so I brought you right down to the bottom of the garden, which is a bit of a hidden wild area overlooking the nice forest, so it's good to just have a little bit of a relax. So I'm going to do the video from down here and I'll show you what carrots I'm going to grow this year. So we've got the Nantes variety and we've got the rainbow mix. Now I did the rainbow mix last year and they were really tasty, got a really good crop out of them, really sweet, full of flavour, and they're great for kids to grow as well because they never know what colour they're going to pull out of the pot, so they just carry on pulling up and they're so excited about what they're going to pull up next. And obviously it's great on a plate then as well when you start cooking them. They're all sorts of different colours, so it's quite interesting for them. So yeah, let's get cracking. We start off with a nice fine compost, and what I'm actually going to do is going to make it even finer by just putting some sand in as well. So I'm going to sprinkle a nice good amount, because obviously it's quite a big pot is this, so we can get some nice decent sized carrots. So I'm going to put some sand in and then just mix it all up. I've already added some to this compost anyway, but just to show you, I'm just going to have it so it's nice and fine. That's what you want nice fine compost. Here are the Nantes seeds. Now what some people do is just scatter them all about and then pick out the weaker ones as and when they start growing, but I don't like to, I feel like I'm wasting seed that way. So what I'm going to do is I just plant them individually, one by one, where they're going to grow, give them enough space so that each one has got enough space to grow into a carrot, and then there's no messing about pulling out ones and throwing them away and feeling bad for throwing them. So what you want to do now is just get some more of your compost and sand mixture, and then you just want to scatter over just to cover the seeds up. And then if you haven't watered it beforehand, you can obviously just give it a little bit of a light water just to make sure that the seeds aren't being washed about everywhere and knocked out of place, and then you leave them to it.